Wait, what's going on, World Wide Web? It's me, Marlon. Guys, this is the third, I believe the third or fourth installment of my Training Day Tuesdays, guys. I want to talk about it today, and in this video, we're going to be talking about products and services. In the first Training Day Tuesdays video, guys, I talked about the 7 reasons you should be building your list, right? And then in the second video, we talked about 10 eye-opening email statistics. You know what I mean? And I said the order that I had them in, it could have been either way, guys. You could have gone through the 10 eye-opening statistics and where email marketing is concerned, but then you could have seen the 7 reasons you should be building a list after, but they go together, right? So when you watched that, the 7 reasons you should be building a list, and then if you didn't see it, go back and watch the 10 eye-opening email statistics where email marketing is concerned. You know, educate yourself about the how lucrative the business can actually be. Then, guys, in yesterday's video, as a prelude into today's video, I talked about your megaphone at Yankee Stadium, right? And the reason I talked about the megaphone at Yankee Stadium because I talked about the fact that if you could build a list, you could build a list, you could build a business, and I likened it to actually having a megaphone at Yankee Stadium and being able to reach out to as many people as there were on your list as you start to build it, right, in your niche, and to correspond with them to start creating income using that megaphone at Yankee Stadium metaphor, right? Guys, in order to start the business, right, you know now that you've seen the statistics, you've seen several reasons why you should. I talked about the megaphone at Yankee Stadium. The very first thing you will need when you start that process, right, is a product or service, right? Even before it gets to the point where you're going to start capturing your leads, you're going to have something to market and promote, right? We know the statistics. We know the reasons we should be doing it, right? But in order to do it, you need a product, you need a service, you need something, right? So today we're going to talk specifically about digital products, guys, because those are the only types of products that I use. That's the only thing that I do. You could do this marketing physical products as well, but we're talking about digital products. I'm going to go through this. It's not going to be a very long video, but I want to talk about the fact that finding a product or a service to market and promote, that's not ever going to be a problem. You will always, there are products and services that you can market and promote all over the World Wide Web. I know I don't have to tell you guys that. You know that, right? You probably get offers every single day in your inbox, right? Or you're on YouTube or you're on Facebook and you see them all over the place. Products and services and things to market will never be a problem, right? Never, ever, ever. But the way that you set your business up, right, is the way that you plan to go out and market that product and service. That's why I talked about the 7 reasons. That's why I talked about the statistics, so you can understand the dynamic and how lucrative email marketing can be. But now you need to understand how to put together systems, right, using technique, strategy, in order to kind of strategically position yourself in front of the countless thousands of people that's out here looking for whatever it is you may want to do. Digital products are a very easy way to do that, right? You don't have to stock anything. They're easy to deliver. People can access the products that we market with the click of a mouse, and you can get paid the exact same way, right? Which is why I love digital marketing. They're also easier to scale, in my opinion, right? And they're easier, so that just makes the automation process that much simpler. ClickBank is it's probably, if not the #1 digital product marketing place online. If it's not ClickBank, guys, it is JVZOO, right? And I said I wasn't going to spend a lot of time in this video because, again, finding a product, finding a service, that's never going to be a problem, right? We can find them all over the place, right? They come $1 to a dime. But your process of marketing and promoting, that's going to be key. I talked in the video about being products of the product, owning the entire process. That's what happens when you, as an email marketer, you own the entire process from start to finish, from the products and services that you promote, from the way you're able to position yourself in front of your target audience, from people coming into your list, for you having following up with that list via email. Well, I'm getting too far. I'm going too far. But this products and services are easy, which is why I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this video. But do understand, and if you decide, by the way, to market products on ClickBank or JVZOO, guys, and there are many, just make sure you have a plan, right? Make sure you understand, because there are all kinds of great things you can do. I guess I should pop in here for a minute if I could. I don't know if it's going to let me into my account or not. Because what I wanted to show you guys is, well, here we go. There are so many different digital products that you can market and sell and promote, guys, down here. You'll see them, right? I mean, it's easy, it's free to sign up, no problem, right? All cool when you decide that you want to get involved in email marketing. You can find many products, many services all over the place. Wow, I went all the way around Robin's barn to say that. So anyway, guys, listen up. I'm always talking about doing whatever's clever, right? And so when it comes to your business, think about the fact, or think about whether it is you want to operate your business, right, like a thermometer, or do you want to operate your business like a thermostat, right? Do you want to operate your business like a thermometer, right, as a business person with a thermometer, or do you want to operate your business with a person like a thermostat? And the reason why I use that, I like analogies, is because a thermometer, guys, it's simply used to read the temperature in a particular place, right? That's all a thermometer is used for. It just tells you what the temperature is inside of a room or a building or wherever, right? A thermostat, it actually sets the temperature, right? It sets the temperature. It controls the temperature inside of the room, right? Or inside of the building. So when you start marketing, think about whether you want to be a thermometer. I don't mean a thermometer, or do you want to be a thermostat? And so when you understand the anatomy of email marketing and you start doing it and you start going out here promoting different products and services, as a thermostat, right, you own the entire process. You set the actual pace for whatever it is you want to do, however it is you want to do it, how you want to market it, the whole 9 yards. You talk about the branding thing, everything. You own the process, right? Very beautiful thing, guys. Anyway, miles to go before I sleep. Thousands of more videos to shoot. Thanks for being on this Training Day Tuesdays, guys. And the next week, guys, since we talked about products and services now, next week we're going to be moving into tying all the pieces of the puzzle together, right? I said this is the bare essentials, right? So from the capture page to the redirect, to everything that has to take place in this process. It's going to be a lot of fun, guys. Anyway, miles to go before I sleep. 1,000 more videos to shoot. I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle. Keep banging. I'll see you guys next week.